So it might not be very visible, but we are cooking some incredible Italian pomodoro sauce, which is an old family recipe, a restaurant grade recipe with a hell of a lot of fresh tomatoes. Um, in a second, you're going to get a little bit of the sound so you can hear exactly that bubbling away, and it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. And it's done. So we're not really looking for reduction. This is the end of the cooking. We're going to start sort of processing it in with the food processor just to get that consistency and texture, so all of the tomatoes just blend together and you're going to get this one gorgeous fantastic taste.